Hey Hair Rules fam, this is your favorite texture guru, Dickie, and I'm here with my friend Victoria in her fresh wash and go style. I'm going to talk to you today about your last step in your styling hair care regimen, which is Hair Rules Finishing Balm. And today I'm going to use it for Victoria. Show you, a dab will do you. Whenever you use any product for finishing, always move it through your hands first before applying it to the hair, so you don't get a big gob, and just scrunch it in to your already styled hair. And it just adds additional moisture to textures that are naturally drier and gets rid of those flyaway frizzies. Good for sealing in moisture and sealing the ends on the ends of your hair, flyaways. Great for wash and go styles in your final step. It's good for curly styling. It's something to keep in like a balm, like a lip balm. It's something to keep in your purse with you all day long, and you can use it throughout the day. Just for added extra moisture and shine to your hair. And then Victoria can use this at night, and she can use it the next day. She can use it to set her hair at night into a pineapple. But we only get like 2-3 days out of wash and go style. 2 days maximum for 4C textures.